In this quick video, I will show you how to stake Kishu INU step by step. So the first step is to go to OKX.com and log in using your OKX account. Now once you have logged in, if you don't have USDT in your wallet, then you can buy here. You can choose to buy using a card, P2P trading, or third-party payment. If you want to buy using a card, if you want to use a card to buy USDT, go here and choose what currency you are using. And in here, you can choose any of these tokens, but we are going to use USDT. Now, for example, I want to type down 5,000 and here is the equivalent amount of USDT. Now click buy USDT. Then you can choose any of these payment options. We have here debit or credit card, P2P Express, and Sandpool. And if you want to use P2P trading to buy USDT, click USDT here. Then choose what currency you are using. Then type the amount. And then you can choose what payment options you are going to use. And once you filtered it out, you can now click buy USDT here. If you want to choose third-party payment to buy USDT, click here, then choose what currency you are using. For example, USD. If you want to use third-party payment to buy USDT, click here, then choose what currency you're using. For example, USD. Then type the amount of USD you want to pay. Now we have here the service provider. Now choose what service provider you want to use. Then after you choose what service provider you want to use, you'll see your order details here. Then click here and then pay. Now once you have bought USDT, go to spot trading in here. Then type down Kishu. And we have here Kishu USDT. Click here. Then type down the amount of USDT you want to trade with Kishu. And for example, 50 USDT. Then you will receive the equivalent amount of Kishu here. Then click buy. And then confirm. Since I don't have USDT, the order failed. Once you have bought Kishu, you're gonna go to asset here. Then click my assets. Go to trading. Then you will now be able to see your Kishu here. And also you can type down Kishu here. And now you will be able to see your balance in here. Now once you have Kishu in your spot wallet, you're gonna go to grow here. Then under the earn, we have here staking. Click staking here. Then type down Kishu. And then you can choose any of these offers. We have here 2.80% APY, 2% APY, and 3% APY. And note that the higher the lock-in period, the higher the APY. Now, for example, I'm going to choose flexible staking here. Click subscribe. Then type the amount of Kishu you want to stake. And note that the minimum is 1 Kishu. For example, 5,000 Kishu. And we have here the estimated interest. And you can receive this amount of Kishu per day. Now, we're done. If you have any questions about how to stake Kishu, let me know in the comment below.